So the difference is the larger firebox with a slightly smaller baking oven. As you can see, it does have a narrower oven pan here. You do have 3 different levels where you can install the oven rack. Now all the Nordica products do just come with one single oven pan. You can purchase an additional one if you would like. It is an enamel pan. Your ash box is located directly below the firebox here, your ash pan, and your oven cleanout is located below. This is basically just a storage area where you can keep some things warm. This is your primary damper control here. You can see the airflow that way is closed to the left, to the right. It opens your airflow. Nordica's done a really great job with the air wash on the glass. So the glass does burn very clean. You can see here that the doors are fully gasketed. Your ash pan is fully gasketed as well. Now you do have the damper control here. And located right here is your oven control. Open and close the airflow on the oven. So everything is airtight. With this size firebox, you could probably get about a 9-hour burn time out of this unit. You do have the ash pan located below. The towel rack on the top of the stove does come standard. The flue is always going to be a right-hand vent on the top of the stove. This is available in different colors as well. Now the Rosa Reverse is one of the only models available with outside combustion air, which does attach to the rear of the stove. So the top here is cast iron, doors are cast iron, and then the ceramic side panels. So this is Sarah with Obadiah, and this is the Rosa